thank you very much.
My best friend's a huge fan. Talk about Whatever name.
Domino.
Domino.
Yeah.
That's a nice name.
Yeah. Yeah, if you go on my Instagram, you'll see why I named her Domino.
Well, what do we get for you?
Oh, nothing, just a high five. That's it. This is Maui Wowie Hawaiian. They have awesome coffee and smoothies. Just the jam. Definitely head over there. Staff is very friendly. Wait, is that the kid from my neighborhood? Deadpool! She got a Deadpool patch on her jacket. That's sick. Yeah. How you doing? Great.
We can get them, take a picture of us.
Oh yeah.
What you got on there?
Just plastic toys.
Plastic.
Yeah.
They look big.
Yeah. They got. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. Take care, brother. Nice. Well, first face to face with the police out here, and very friendly. Love it. Wish I could just pull his moves and jam around. Hey, what's up? Give me love. Yes. That's for you. You will see that beautiful smile later, and yours. And do I get one up here? Yeah. Later, guys.